So now let's see how we can utilize the text rewrite feature inside of Microsoft Designer. So to do that, over here, I'm going to go around and add in a body text right here. And I'm just going to go around over here and double click and say, welcome to TutorTube YouTube channel, where you can learn new things every day. So let's just go around and type this in right here, just like this. And this is what you have. So if I were to go around over here and resize this out, then you can see that I can go around and then keep it in 2 lines as well. But let's say what I want is I want this to be written in a new way. So in that case, as you select out the text over here on the top, you can see that rewrite is an option. And if I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that it'll simply rewrite out the phrase right here. So it says, welcome to TutorTube, our YouTube channel, where you can discover new knowledge daily. So I can go around and click on rewrite again if I want to go around and change this out, as you can see. And that is how you can go around and keep on creating new versions of the same text right here if you don't want to use the original version, just like this. So that is how you can utilize out the text rewrite feature inside of Microsoft Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.